it's been a very important finding in our work with care navigators, with nurse care managers, with primary care providers, with psychiatrists. Ask people what they want and give it to them. They're interested in a lot of different things. I think people too often throw their hands up in the air when it comes to methamphetamine. And yet, I think if you slow down and do some shared decision making, like we do in other areas of healthcare, and ask people what they want and provide it to them, and be prepared to work with them for multiple years as cognitive functioning returns, that I really see it as the core piece of this is around engagement. My work in opioids is around medications first and more later. I think what we're going to see with methamphetamine is the opposite. More first, maybe some medications later. They don't have the same immediate strong benefit that we see on the opioid front, but people do want to engage, and they will engage if we offer kind, effective services.